are clear to lift. Tension steady.
Confirmed. Moving to Bay 4. Watch the stabilizers.
Temp logged into 16 degrees Celsius stable.
See how the ink bled slightly here? That confirms the paper type.
Understood. I'll make a note on the digital log.
The moisture levels are holding steady right here. See the green zone?
Yes, and the size categorization matches the manifest.
Good. Accepting the batch now.
The width on this one is slightly narrow near the tail.
Yes, but the pattern is perfect. Let's put it with the mediums. Look at the sizing on this one.
It's good quality.
Inside the spectacled Cobra snake leather mega factory. Inside the spectacled Cobra snake leather mega factory.
Data confirmed. Sterilization is successful, and moisture levels are optimal.
Sorting belt diverts high-grade spectacled Cobra skins toward the premium inspection zone through a fast-moving automated shuttle system.
Checking the alignment here, the scales are perfectly smooth, no lifting detected near the spectacle pattern.
The pH is exactly 7. Everything looks good for batch SC47. Right.
Confirmed. I'll log the sanitation status as complete.
Temperature is stable, but verify the sanitation cycle for SC47.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
We must hit the humidity targets precisely, or the texture will suffer.
I agree. The current reading on the tablet shows we are within tolerance.
The humidity levels on Tier 4 are still slightly elevated.
Yes, let's increase the airflow to zone 7 by 5%.
Ensure the speckle pattern is perfectly aligned before it hits the first roller.
We must maintain the integrity of the fiber structure.
Check the tension readout on sector 4. We need another 2%.
Confirmed. The pattern is holding steady now.
We've achieved optimal elasticity on this sample. Confirmed. The iridescent quality is maximized at this tension.
The color uniformity is acceptable, but look closely at the fiber integrity right here.
Yes, I see the minor abrasion. Documenting it now.
Confirmed on the tablet.
Status active. Traceability confirmed.
The symmetry on this segment look perfect now.
Yes, and the waste reduction is up another 2%.
The rotation confirms the optimal placement across the entire hide.
The symmetry here on the dorsal panels is still off. We need to adjust the algorithm.
I see it. Let me try running the localized refinement sequence.
Look at this alignment right here. It's flawless.
I agree. The spectacle pattern is perfectly centered on the chest.
What about the shoulder junction? Does the symmetry extend there?
The symmetry here is perfect now. See how the pattern aligns?
Yes, the placement on the chest panel looks exactly right.
Excellent. Excellent work.
Batch 42C, spectacled Cobra skins, ready for digital scan.
Alignment perfect safe, sending to vacuum table. Alignment perfect, sending to vacuum table.
Perfect continuity on scale geometry.
Spectacled Cobra scaling intact.
The spectacle markings look correct on this one.
Yes, the alignment matches the batch ID. This batch alignment is correct. The QR code matches the manifest.
Perfect. Send it to the next station.
Maintaining Cobra pattern flow for jacket front.
The alignment on the Cobra pattern is perfect here.
Yes, continuity looks good across the seam. Approved.
Right here, the tension needs to be exact on the curve.
Got it. It needs to be flawless.
Check the serial on this one against the main batch.
Confirmed. The spectacled Cobra numbers align perfectly.
Validate the spectacled Cobra batch numbers on the screen.
Confirmed. All serials match the leather shipment.
The cross-lighting really highlights the texture. Yeah.
Yes, and the hardware alignment is perfect right here.
Look at how the polarized light catches the spectacle pattern here.
It's perfect. The pressing is flawless.
Yeah.
We can approve this batch.